What happens when we step away from our machines for the day? Do they power off? Do they shut down? Do they take a break? Do they just stop? Not here. At Regal Research, we understand time. Over 45 years of crafting high-precision parts each day, using every second we can to push the boundaries of our capabilities. This year, we're running around the clock, non-stop manufacturing, pushing our operations to the max, and redefining what's possible. This means more shifts, more automated systems, more runtime. We're extending our production capacity with a full second and third shift team, enhancing the efficiency of our processes through the introduction of more advanced automation. It's all about delivering more of the precision we're known for. Because at Regal Research, we stay in motion, carrying your projects forward and delivering our best to you every chance we can.